These body wash shower gel are the best shower gel you should be using on your skincare. If you are having a very stubborn skin and your skin are refusing to get glow, your skin are refusing to get that glowing perfect skin, this video is dedicated. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. For my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. Please pardon the background noise, guys. So my number one things I have here is the extra white body wash. This particular body wash, it is very good. Is the particular one that they say a skin like milk. This particular body wash, it is a good one. So I'll be dropping their photo here and I'll be leaving their name in my description. So please go down in my description to check out their name, okay? This particular one is very good. It's going to wash out your skin, giving your skin sparking, nourishing, and also give you that tone skin. Okay, the second one I'll be talking about is the blemishes shower gel. This particular one is going to hydrate your skin, make your skin looking very shiny, and is going to moisturize your skin. At the same time, is going to give you that popping, glowing, nourishing skin. Okay, that is all we need for every product. Okay, this particular one is the best one you should go at if you are the kind of person that has a very stubborn skin and your skin is refusing to grow. Baby, go and check this one out, because this particular one is going to give you that perfect glowing smoothly skin. Okay, the next one I'll be talking about is the K Brothers lighting bait. This particular one is very effective if you are the kind of person that has spots, that have like dark spot, like all these dark spot, like all these rashes on your body. You should go ahead and try this K Brother. As they say, K Brother, they have a very nice product. This particular shower gel, it's going to remove out your spot. It's going to make your skin spotless. So rush, go and try this one. Is the best one, and it contain a lighting property. It contain carrots, vitamin, and lots more. This particular K Brothers is going to give you that hydrate your skin, and it's going to exfoliate your skin. You should go ahead and try this particular one. Is the main one, is the G, it's the main product. So the next one I'll be talking about is the gluten wash shower gel. This particular one is going to clean your skin, leaving that skin smiling, soft, sparkling, hydrating, and it's suitable for all skin type. Okay, all skin type can use it, whether you are sensitive, you are dry, you are oily, you are hyperpigmentation skin, you are combination skin. You should go ahead and try this one. All skin type suitable on your skin, all skin type. So it's not a particular product you are going to say, oh, I have a very sensitive skin, I can't use this. This you can, sensitive skin can use it, all skin type can use this particular one, and it is also good for anti-aging. If you are the kind of person that is having anti-aging, you should go ahead and try this. If you are suffering from aging skin, you're suffering from drying, stuff like that, you should go ahead and try this one. It's a very good product, and it's the good one, and it has a very good thick and nice smell. So you should go and try it. So that is all I can say for all these products. They work effective. You know, when I share my products here, when I do a product review, you know, I told you, and if I tell you try this and you go to try it, you will see it that it is the what I say. I don't come here to just, you know, I go, I do my research and lot more. I check the product, the ingredients used in making this product before coming here to, you know, share it to my people. So if you are the kind of person that has you are kind of person that do not like, you know, applying lotion every day. Like applying lotion every day is a very big stress for you. You should try and use all this shower gel. It's going to maintain your normal color. It's not going to make you, it's going to brighten you. If you're the kind of person that are looking for 2 shade 3 shade lighter or toner, this particular product are going to tone you without you not using your body lotion alongside. Even if you are, you can be using your body lotion maybe every 2 times in a week, and you will see it's going to give you a good result and going to give you that tone skin. That's all for this product. Don't forget to like this video, share with friends and family, and please guys, share my video, share with friends and family, and don't forget to stay healthy, stay positive. All the best. Be nice to one another. I love you.